What's up, you guys? It's your girl official Keira, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed to my channel already. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back to my channel, to another video. Before we get into this video, I just want to say this video is sponsored by SheBeautee on Amazon. They sent me one of their products, and as y'all can see by the title, I will be unboxing and reviewing that product. I'm really excited to review this product. And yeah, we just gonna go ahead and get right into this video. But don't forget to follow my socials. They'll be on the screen. They'll also be down in the description box. And before we get to viewing this product, the link, and I have some codes down below in the description box as well to this product. So if you want to go purchase this product, you can. And yeah, we can go ahead and get right into this video. So the product came in this box. Gotta cover my address and stuff. But it came in a box like this, like Amazon and stuff. So we're gonna open the box. So the product comes in a little small bag. Like this is like a clear bag. It zips across and stuff. So the product they sent me was a 2-piece double layer silk bunny for curly, natural, and braids. It has an elastic band and they come in different colors, but the colors I got is purple and black, but they do have a purple and green. I will have it up on the screen somewhere to where y'all can see what I'm talking about. So the first thing that come in here is a hair tie. This is a really cute hair tie. It's like a bandana hair tie because of the parent on it. So I love the material on it. It's real soft and stuff. You could wear them around your wrist, or you could wear them in your hair, like around your ponytails or braids or anything. And I love the color on it because it's like a baby blue, black, and white colored. As y'all can see, y'all might can see it. I don't know. But it's really pretty. But I wear it on my wrist if I don't want to mess them up. Sometimes if they're like a black color, like a darker color, I put them in my hair because, you know, hair products and stuff. But these here are the bonnets. Here's the purple. We're gonna go over one first. This is the purple one. So it comes in a clear packaging here. Both of them are in clear package that comes in here with this wrapper. So the purple one, we're gonna open it up. Okay, this is the purple bonnet. It's real big and everything. I like that because you can fit all your hair in there, and it has an elastic band around it, so it won't just slide off your hair real easily. But my favorite part about these bonnets that I love is that they're reversible, and you can switch them on any side. So this is like a lavender lighter purple, and the other side is like a darker purple. And this is what amazes me, because this is what really made me wanted to review this product, because it's reversible and you can never have enough bonnets, because I only got 2, and I think it would have been good for me to get a new bonnet. This is the black one. This is the black bonnet. It's big too, have elastics. And then on this side, it's like gray. I think it's like a gray color, which I love. This is really pretty, but like I said, it's reversible. And when you put it on your head, you can fit all your hair in it. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to slide off because the elastic's on there. So you got it on black. You can switch it to the other side. You could wear it gray sometimes, that if you decide. It has all your hair in there. It's for natural hair. It's real silk. It's good for your hair. healthy hair, you know. This is a purple. And then this is the other side. So yeah, I love the bonnets. They're gorgeous. They're like so adorable. They have different ones, but as I said, if you want to get one like these two, you got to, they're come in purple and black, and then it's another set that's a purple and green, or purple like a blue color. I think it's purple and green. As I said, I will have it up on the screen. But this video is sponsored by SheBeautee on Amazon, and they sent me these beautiful bonnets and this beautiful elastic ponytail scrunchie. But yeah, that's the end of this video. But before we end this video, I just want to say, if you want to go buy it and purchase this item, it is $12.99, and I do have codes in the description box that you can use if you want to get some money off and all this stuff for your bonnets. Really great quality, and I just can't wait to put these in use because they're amazing. They're bright, shiny, and they got elastics in it, which isn't too tight, so it's not going to be too tight on your head. Yeah, it gives you a lot of room because it's stretched. So that's another thing I like about these bonnets. So yeah, as I say, if you want to go purchase this item, I will have everything in the description box. I will have the link and everything to these bonnets and my codes down in the description box as well, so you can go purchase the items. And also, before I close out this video, I just want to say that I am doing reviews and supporting small YouTubers and different small business on my channel. So if you're interested in sending me anything or want me to review your products or support your small business or anything, all you gotta do is just email my business, which is graphicsbykeira@gmail.com. All you gotta do is email me, be like, hey, I want you to review this and that, or can you review my small business and talk about it and share this and do this. All you gotta do is just email me and I'll get right back with you as soon as I can. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed to my channel already. And then I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys. Peace. I'm gone.